Talking about songs in top visa man. Over as your cousin social media. Oh, with Jayson. Over as your cousin social media. But yeah, Romeo na
but I trust Jayson. I trust him so much because that guy drops something like actually releases something he makes sure it's bold.
Yeah.
Like the boldness of the quality of the deliverance.
He always give who he is.
Yeah.
Me gonna post up. Oh, okay. Are we Jayson featuring Romeo featuring Arnold songs. 4 liter 4L
4 liter yama hey argez huku 4 liter yama hafe
ruko wana
4 liter ya jibuku
owijezo okay ruko wana naka YouTube runa rover 20 hours ago runa almost 300 views. People are commenting very keep it up, this is number 1, I love this.
The play up win.
Hey, look what time. Oh boy, okay,
in a volume. Listen to that boldness and thickness of the voice. Listen to this. Do you know when you're eating something, you're drinking something? The thickness and the boldness of the deliverance. Nangelo jona apengwa.
Venrap Radio yambenga haulimo.
That's what doesn't the chakale rumwe.
Give me my phone. Give me phone. Oh, this is a nice song, man. This is a nice song, man. Mr. Jayson.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now. How are you doing, my guy?
I'm beautiful. How are you?
I'm good, man. I know this is such
Mr. Boldness,
notice, man.
Mr. Execution, Mr. Delivery.
What's up? Talk to me.
You're live on Street Talk Podcast. I'm sitting with our producer, it's Mama's boy. I'm sitting with Nema, my co-host. You're speaking to Mengail. 4 liters in. 4 liters.
4 liter Yamaha.
For life, not for liter.
4 liter. 4 liter.
For life.
It's for
not
life.
4 liter Yamaha.
4 liter. Before air, let's see. 4 liter.
4
liter. Sure, man.
Yeah.
My guy, you have been away for the longest time. Azone?
Yes, I have.
Dude, I don't know what happened. Did you deactivate your Facebook and you were like,
no, let me explain. I did not deactivate it.
Just keep quiet.
I deleted my profile picture just so it can be blank, so that I'm not visible.
Okay.
And then I deleted the app on my phone.
okay. For how long?
Yeah.
For how long?
I think 4 months.
Dude, so you survived 4 months without Facebook?
It's like that, man.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta control the noise.
He does that all the time. I'm used to that. And when he comes back, he gives us something different. He gives us some great music. Like one thing I always tell Owi, Diori, what I love in Diori doesn't compromise his voice. He does not switch up to trends. He sticks to his own sound. I've told him before. That's why I was telling you, listen to the boldness, listen to the smooth. Listen to all those things. You'll feel like I don't know ice cream at the fun the mashoponi. You can tell hey ice cream is thick. Hey no is smooth. Hey no in the muddy. So when you listen to the execution and delivery of the song, that's what you hear when we drop something.
So
Hello.
yeah. Talk to us.
Did you like the song?
Dude, we were playing just now. We just playing just now. Dude. We were jamming just now, and we're playing it live on Street Talk Podcast. We found
it online and we played.
I was like,
I
dude.
appreciate you guys.
I was like, no. Jayson is back, and he said he's going to release a song, man. So was it you when you were saying that on the song saying that Ndikunyango was settler? Was it you?
No. The line was settler. Romeo.
I thought it was
so okay.
nice.
Let me. No, it's fine. Let me just explain a little bit so you can understand how the song came about.
Yeah.
I was chilling with my boy, right?
Okay.
And they were talking like grown men stuff, like, oh yeah, I don't know, Aruas, like we're older, we're no longer like 2022, like we damn near 30 now, we're 30 plus.
Yeah.
So we're like where are we like right now in life? And the guy's just like, yo, me, I'm down to settle. And then the beat was playing in the background, and the other guy was on the song is my cousin.
Yeah.
And then he was like, I think it's time to settle, because he was listening to what we were talking about, and we're like, actually we can make a song about where we are right now in our lives, so let's just go. So he went in, and then
so the other guy is Arnold.
Yeah, Arnold.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So Romeo went in first, I went in second. I kill all the time.
Dude,
and then
you're killing them, man. It's like you never left. You're killing them, man.
I'm telling you, I don't play with this mic, man. I don't.
But tell me here, man. What makes you come back, Niri? I want to release a song. You could have come back and posted it, and
that's it. And one thing,
and that's it.
And you need to understand. If you check, most of the ladies loves his music so much.
100%.
Every moment when he comes back and do something, you'll see how they react, how they celebrate. But he never pays attention.
Dude, tell us.
Utombango, I think music is a beautiful curse. And you will always come back. You will always come back.
It will always find you.
Music itself.
Yeah.
The music itself, it always it's forever ringing in my soul. So whenever I get on the mic, it's gonna happen every time. I don't miss.
Dude, you never miss, dude. And I'm your friend on Facebook, on other social medias. Tell me if I'm wrong, right? No funny. There are some songs that you play which kind of like they're not out yet. So can we expect more songs from you now, because you are back?
Definitely. I'm working on my third project now. It's called Enchanted Moon. Really? So I'm going to record track is 100, but I'm only going to choose 10 out of 100 songs.
Last time you did 80, right? This guy has so many music, so much music, but the problem.
Last time you did like 80
remember, he struggled
songs.
even when he dropped that.
Unreleased or released?
No,
and he has to choose.
When he released that album, the last album, he had so many songs that he struggled.
EP or whatever,
or EP. He struggled to choose songs for that EP because he had so many songs.
Yeah, that's very true.
What inspire your album naming or your EP or mixtape naming? Because last time it was Black Diamond.
Yeah.
Now what?
Now it's Enchanted Moon. So Enchanted Moon, venda I was having a conversation with my grandfather, and there was like it was a full moon that night.
Oh, yeah.
And the stuff that he was telling me was the stuff that I want to sing about. And the whole time I was just looking at that moon, and I felt very inspired to create. And I was just like, you know what? I'm going to call this the Enchanted Moon.
Because from my side, right, I think you are also influenced by some Chinese, whatever.
Japanese kick.
Japanese, whatever. Dragon Ball Z kind of things. You get what I'm saying?
Check. Yeah.
Some Vietnam war there.
I'm inspired by cultures. Like cultures among the young exciter. Because I feel like they know something that I don't, and I know something that they don't. So if I try and learn, I vibe to a different energy. And maybe that's what makes me different. I want to go to the unknown, to the fucked up area. You feel what I'm saying? To the I don't understand, but I'm entering.
Dude.
But I'm inside.
So okay, whatever you're going to release, and whatever we don't know if it's an EP, mixtape, or album. Can we expect Jayson Tshivenda nyana pala kana?
Yo, that's a very good question. I'm happy you asked that question.
Yeah.
This time around, this time around, I went home. I'm telling you. You heard on the song.
Yeah, like, I did. That's what I'm asking this question.
The last you know what? Offline, when this is done, I'm gonna send you a few of the other songs so you know what I'm talking about. Hey,
you are back, my guy. You're back, my guy. So, okay, who can we expect from the project that you're working with now?
Right now, Dina Floyd Best already on the tape.
One of the best. One of the best. One of the best.
Dina Romeo is my brother. We always work on.
Okay, second grade one, Floyd Best, Romeo.
The great one, Romeo.
Yes. And then I'm no longer excited by niggas. So it's just me. But Mumto and I feel like he's worth looking at, ne?
Yeah.
Is that boy JR player? I wanna talk to him.
I was talking about JR player I think a few days ago, right? Dude.
Yeah.
The nigga's good. The nigga's good, man.
It took his time to be crafted.
The nigga's good.
Get him.
I
want to challenge him.
Yeah.
I want to challenge him. I want to show him something that he does not know.
Yeah, I think you know what? I think you and him on the song, ne? It will take him out of his comfort zone. He will.
That's exactly what I want to do.
He will. Cause 100%. Because I remember the song that you and I did, right? That song took me from my comfort zone to somewhere where, like, you get what I'm saying? So I think,
you made him retire.
He didn't drop shit after that shit.
And I didn't, dude. Jayson, man, anything that you want to tell our listeners, our watchers, our viewers, man, before we let you go, man?
I don't think there'll ever be another Jayson in Venda, at least when I'm alive.
I know that, and I believe that.
If I'm still alive, I don't think so.
My guy, I'm glad you're back, man. I'm glad you're back. Posting shit that you always post on Facebook. That's what we want, man. Facebook was never the same without you, man. And, man,
I'm here.
I can't wait to hear what else you're going to release soon, man. And, yeah, man, let's keep it going.
And I appreciate you guys for doing this. I appreciate it a lot.
No problem, man. Thank you for taking our
call. We like that.
It's all good. It's all love. Let's do this. Let's rock.
Jayson, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you guys, man.
Yeah, man, that was Jayson. Expect some great music. Expect some kapata thing on the hopoto thing.
Some dope.
Some 4 liter of mahafe and 4 liter of actually it's for life.
It's for life.
Yeah. So don't take Mingil serious when he's busy doing the 4 liter.
We gave you an exclusive.
What did you say? 4 liter Yamaha. Hey, guys. You think we're just doing it? You guys don't pay attention. When we do these hooks, even though they're bad, if somebody can take it at a 4 liter Yamaha, no far and book.
Jayson is back, dude. Cool. Go watch out his song. YouTube. Jayson.
Official Romeo the Great one.
Arnold.
So yeah, all that Arnold song. So what